Hello, welcome to Out of the Box, and today we're looking at the Tales from the Yawning Portal. This is 7 classic adventures spanning the history of Dungeons and Dragons, converted to 5th edition, so that way players that have only played 5th edition can now experience the nightmare that is the Tomb of Horrors, White Plume Mountain, against the giants, Dead and Thay, the Sunless Citadel, the Hidden Shrine of Tome, and the Forge of Fury. And the best part is, this book is designed in such a way that you start in the Sunless Citadel as a first level character, and you end in the Tomb of Horrors. So, you could play this start to finish, level 1 to level 15, 16, really whatever level you get to when you're in the Tomb of Horrors. Because there's no XP value of the Tomb of Horrors, so words are escaping me right now. Not only did it convert the dungeons to 5th edition D&D, but it also converted some of the monsters and a lot of the magic items that were in the classic adventures up to the new edition. With some new artwork. The artwork's fantastic. Even classic magic items like the Spear of Backbiting, the bracelet of rock magic, the amulet of protection from turning, and then certain monsters that were in the original, like the Barghest and the Dread Warriors, the Deathwalk Wights, the Chokers. How the hell were they not in the Monster Manual anyway? Excuse me. Converted to 5th edition. I'm going to have some fun with this. Yeah, so it's $50 and it's 7 adventures. So, is it $50? It's $49.95 for 7 adventures. So you're effectively paying approximately $7.25 per adventure. A little more than $7.25, but it's still, considering back in the day you'd get one adventure for what, $8, $9. So yeah, I think I'm excited for this. I'm excited to open this up and check it out. Are you guys excited for this? Let me know how you feel. This is going right onto the shelf with the rest of my D&D books because I have a crap ton of them. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.